Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Kiana and today we are gonna do a really cozy fall slash winter holiday nighttime routine. I don't know, I think that it'd be really fun. I really haven't done anything that is fall vibes or fall foods, and I have had it. I wanna do something that's very fall and I just want to romanticize the weather. Today I'm actually up here at my fiance's parents' lake house because we have new flooring that is going in for the entire house and the kitchen, and I just decided to come here so that I could work a little bit, and as well as it's just like the most beautiful house. My fiance's mom is an interior designer and she just creates the most amazing spaces. So I think we're going to do a whole bunch of fun little things and just get cozy and get ready. The sun is setting and the sunsets here are beautiful. The sunrises are even prettier. I'll have to show you guys. Maybe we'll even go outside for a little. It was really windy earlier, but I don't know. I'm really excited. I think this is gonna be a fun video. So let's just go ahead and get into it. I think what I'm going to do for dinner, I packed some foods because this place is like an hour and a half away from our house. So I did pack some of the foods that I can have. If you guys don't know, currently I'm on this crazy freaking diet and it's not about weight at all. Actually, I don't want to lose any weight, but I have a small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. I think I've said this so many times on the channel now, but if you're new, this is why. And basically the way that I am going about treating it, there's a whole bunch of ways that you can treat it, but it just kind of seems like no one really knows the way to treat it and it's really stubborn. So for 8 weeks, I am on this diet of basically like no carbs, no sugars, that kind of thing. But the first 4 weeks are the really, really intense ones, and I'm officially done with that because that was yesterday, made my 4 weeks. So now I'm on the second part of it, so I can actually start adding in a lot more fun stuff. But before that, I was basically just living off of proteins and veggies and nothing else, because you're not allowed to have sugar. Sugar feeds bad bacteria, which is insane. But if it makes, you know, my life better, because my stomach was hurting all the time, no matter what I ate, everything upset my stomach, I was like, I'll do it. But I'm going to make these little chicken sausages, and usually at my house I would have to use them in a microwave, but I have a stove, so I'm actually going to brown them and it's going to taste so delicious. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. And then I'm also, I think, gonna make something sweet because I can finally have something slightly sweet. Okay, I'm gonna make banana bread because I can have banana bread. So I technically am not supposed to have, actually no, I think that everything in them I can have, now that I'm thinking about it, because I switched the maple syrup for honey and I can have honey. So technically I can have everything that's in these. I just need to look up the actual thingy thing. I think this is like the most exciting part of my day because I think the reason why I haven't been able to get into the fall spirit is plain and simple, just like not being able to eat all the fun fall things. Also, did you know that you can buy ripe bananas? Literally got 80 cents of, and it's like 6 or 7 different bananas in there and it's 80 cents. Like that's amazing. How could I be mad? Okie dokie. Boy, can this go in the oven? I'm nervous that it can't, so maybe I won't use that one. What an interesting noise. And I think I'm gonna light this little candle. I literally brought a candle from home so that I could just have it a little bit more cozy in here. This is one of the only fall candles I actually like. It's from Patty Wax. I got it at Whole Foods, actually. It was on sale, but it's their honeyed chestnut. I usually don't like the ooey gooey scents, if I'm being completely honest. So when I found this one, it is kind of like an gooey scent, but it's not like overwhelming and in your face, and that's why I like it. Where did I put, oh, there it is. I'm not used to having one that's not, there we go. I have like the really long one. But anyways, I'm gonna keep making these. I literally just did my nails and for some reason this thumb keeps popping off and it's really making me mad. Okay, my my muffins are done. I'm gonna let them cool, and I'm actually going to go and take a shower real quick. I think not an everything shower because I'm not gonna wash my hair, but I'm gonna wash like the rest of my body and get nice and cozy. Probably shave my legs too because I just want to feel really nice. And that way I can let my muffins cool down and grab my claw clip. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that real quick. And I finally figured out how to work the TV. I had to call Brady's dad to figure it out, but it's all good. One thing that I absolutely love doing right after a shower, especially a nighttime shower, is putting on a lotion for bed. I love going to bed with just happy, nourished, moisturized skin. This is my absolute favorite one. I know I was just talking about it in my last video, or like 2 videos ago, about how I stay really like glowy and moisturized, but also smell really good. This is the EOS Shea Better 24-Hour Body Lotion. This is in their scent Strawberry Dream. I love this scent. I think it's super fun. This is actually one of their 2 new scents. They have this one, and then they have Pink Champagne. Pink Champagne is really, really good too, but I've recently been obsessed with Fruity Gourmands, and so I will just put this all over my body right after the shower when your pores are open and your body can just accept all of that goodness and moisture, especially with the winter time coming around. Your skin's most likely going to get really dry and irritated just from the cold kind of drawing out that moisture. Jeez, I can't speak. So I'll just put it on right after the shower. I've also noticed that the scent will last 10 times longer if I put it on right after the shower. Something about my body, I think, just like holding on to it. But I love this formula so much because it's super lightweight. It's not greasy at all, but I can put it on and it'll dry down before I even get in bed. I will wake up tomorrow morning and I will be super nice and moisturized. I won't feel greasy, it won't feel heavy, it's not oily. Again, like I said, it dries down so nice. It melts into the skin so easily. It's not one of those lotions where you have to like rub it in 24/7. It just goes so fast. I really do adore these. I really love EOS. I remember when they came out with the lip balms and they were the coolest things ever. And then I've been using their shaving cream, I want to say since like middle school. It's the only one that I like. All the other ones just don't give me the moisture that one will give. Favorite up until recently has been the coconut water scent. I really adore that scent. I think it smells super good. And out of their 2 new favorites, the Strawberry Dream is definitely like my go-to. But I will leave this product down below if you guys are interested in trying them out or just trying a new scent out. Definitely let me know which one is your favorite because I kind of want to know what everyone's favorite is. I know Vanilla Cashmere is really big on TikTok, but I'm so curious to know what your favorite scent is. So let me know down below. And thank you once again to EOS sponsoring today's video. It's always super exciting. Just working with brands that I rave about and that I've been using literally since high school. It's so fun, so cool. It's definitely like the best part of this entire job. But yeah, I'll leave those links down below. Thank you, EOS. Guess what time it is? It is time for me to try one of these muffins. I'm so excited. I can't wait. I'm really hoping that they're fully cooked because I didn't even try and check that. If not, I may have to put them back in for a little longer. Okay, here goes the taste test. Oh my god, they're so good. This just made my entire night. Oh my goodness. You could not tell me these are gluten-free and dairy-free and sugar-free. I mean, they have honey in them, but that's it. I think bananas are one of the most diverse fruits out there. Anyone who doesn't like a banana, you can fight me. They're the best. You can do so much with them. That and apples. I love a good apple. And then I'm just going to watch a movie, and I've been working on a few different little wish list things for TikTok and for my Instagram stories for Christmas stuff and other holidays. So I'm gonna keep doing that. But yeah, I'm creating like a whole bunch of little things, but I think I'm just gonna watch some Dexter on TV because that's kind of been my go-to TV show right now. And I think later I'm gonna do a face mask and read my book. But my book is a thriller and I'm at a lake house by myself. So I don't know if I wanna do that right now. I don't know if you guys have ever seen these face masks before. I'm sure you have. They're the collagen ones. I haven't tried the Biodance ones. The ones that I get, I think, are Sunboon. I just get them off of Amazon though. They really do work. So I'm going to put on a little face mask. I'm going to keep watching my show in the background, but I think I am going to read for a little. I just can't have it dead silent in this house because I will freak out. So I'm gonna put on my face mask and I'm going to read my book, watch my show, probably work a little bit more on all of the gift wish list ideas. My iPad just needed to charge because it died because I didn't want to charge it. So just gonna keep working on all of those things and see how it goes. This is very relaxing. I'm actually having a very fun time. I just got off the phone with Brady and was able to talk to him. So it's a really good night. I'm enjoying this. Face masks are so funny to me because they're the ones that go on white, but as they like soak into your skin, they turn clear. But they're a little spooky, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I just finished washing my face and doing all my brushing teeth, all that fun stuff. And I think I'm ready for bed. I think it's like midnight. I stayed up watching Dexter way too late. I read a little bit of my book, but I really just wanted to watch Dexter. So now I'm gonna go to bed. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. It was really fun just to do little cozy fun things and just kind of get away and take a minute to breathe because it's been very stressful at the house. It's a very busy time of the year for me. And I think it was just good to have a minute to just be by myself, breathe, relax, and just hang out with you guys for a second. So thank you so much if you made it to the end of this video, and I will see you guys next week. Love you. Bye.